must align their actions and messages with these values. Your answers to these questions will help you distill the values that should be at the heart of your brand. Today, let's talk about understanding and identifying your brand's core values. When it comes to thought leadership, understanding and defining your brand's core values is foundational. These values act as a compass guiding the tone and language of your brand across all communication channels. For leaders, sticking to these core values is essential for maintaining authenticity and trust with your audience. To identify your brand's core values, start by reflecting on what truly matters to you and your organization. Ask yourself, what principles do I stand by? What qualities do I want to be known for? Your answers to these questions will help you distill the values that should be at the heart of your brand. Common values might include integrity, innovation, customer focus, or social responsibility. Once your core values are identified, they should become the backbone of your brand's communication strategy. For example, if integrity is a core value, your brand's tone should be transparent, honest, and straightforward. If innovation is key, your language might be bold, forward-thinking, and dynamic. Leaders must align their actions and messages with these values. Consistency is surely crucial. Any deviation can erode trust and confuse your audience. Moreover, these values should not only shape your external communication, but also influence your internal culture. When your team embodies the same principles, your brand's voice will naturally be cohesive and powerful. In summary, identifying and adhering to your brand's core values helps in setting guidelines for your communication. It creates a solid foundation that resonates with your audience and reflects the true essence of your leadership. As a leader, sticking to your core values ensures that your brand remains authentic, trustworthy, and aligned with its mission. So that was your leadership tip for today. For more of such tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Purpose Loft, on youtube.com/Anuradha Koda. You may also visit my website, manabilounge.com, to take affordable online courses on such daily tips. Have a thoughtful day.